Cheryl Reeve is an American basketball head coach and president of basketball operations for the Minnesota Lynx of the WNBA. Reeve has coached the Lynx to 4 league championships. Cheryl Reeve was born in Omaha, Nebraska on September 20, 1966. Reeve grew up in Washington Township, Gloucester County, New Jersey, and graduated from Washington Township High School in 1984, where she was part of the school's first team to make the state finals. In 1988, Reeve was a Rhodes Scholar nominee and received a MAAC Scholar Athlete Postgraduate Award and an NCAA Postgraduate Scholarship. She earned a bachelor's degree in computer science that year and then an MBA, both from La Salle University. Reeve is married to singer and Lynx President of Business Operations Carly Knox. They have one child, Oliver, who Knox said has seen every Lynx home game since he was born. Reeve was named the head coach for the women's national team in December 2021. As head coach, she led the national team to its 4th World Cup with the October 2022 win. She was named USA Basketball's national team coach for the year in 2022 following the World Cup win. The national team won its 8th Olympic gold medal in the final game against France on August 11, 2024 with Reeve as head coach. In the 2016 and 2020 games, Reeve served as an assistant coach on Team USA. In 2016, Gino Auriemma was the head coach while Don Staley took over for the 2020 competition. Before taking on her role among the assistant coaching staff, Reeve had served as an assistant for the 2014-16 USA national team that took home gold medals at the 2014 FIBA World Cup team and 2016 Olympic Games. She returned as an assistant for the 2018 World Cup team, winning gold and qualifying the USA for the 2020 Olympics. In December 2017, Reeve was also promoted to the Lynx general manager position. With her 2022 contract extension, Reeve moved from the general manager position to president of basketball operations. Reeve is the most successful coach in franchise history, both in terms of the number of games won and winning percentage, and also has the highest winning percentage in WNBA history. She won her 100th regular season game on June 2, 2014 in a victory over the San Antonio Stars. She won her 31st postseason game on September 30, 2016 in a semi-final victory over the Phoenix Mercury to move into first place in WNBA history in playoff wins. In 2013, Reeve and her staff coached the WNBA Western Conference All-Star team as the Lynx had won the conference championship the previous year. Following the 2002 campaign, Donovan left to become the head coach of the Seattle Storm, and Dan Hughes and the Cleveland Rockers hired Reeve away from Charlotte. The Rockers advanced to the playoffs that year, but in the offseason, ownership decided to cease operation of the team, making Reeve a coaching free agent. Her first head coaching position was with the Indiana State Sycamores from 1995 to December 1 of the 2002-2001 season.